everyone, it's me, JC Keegan, and you are watching the JKK. Today we're at Claire's. We're doing the 3-item challenge. So let's just get started. What if I just said I wanted this? I'm gonna get this. Oh my gosh, here, look. Holy guacamole! That is so soft.
Look at these Beanie Boos. Over here. Halloween ones. Alright, that'll be your one. That'll be one.
Can I get a poo? Yeah. $42.97. No. Get one. I want candy. I want candy. This size.
Those are earrings. Here's your stuff.
What are these? Hey, they're chapsticks. Not Twinkies.
Here's all your...
Where's my bag? Okay. Explain. It's a horse.
Look at your rings over here, Jay. And
Okay,
necklaces.
this is the little kid section. I
Bracelet.
start. Oh, Jenny, look at this. How do I look at that? That is hilarious. Oh, look, Jay. You'll save them. Look, Jay. See, this is adorable. You can have a unicorn. I wish I could wear this, but I'm not 4. Let me see. Is my dress still there? Hi. What if I just said I wanted 3 of these? I probably would get it. Whoa, look at this. Hey guys, look at this. Orbeez! Orbeez! Jiggly slime. It looks like water. Sorry. Never get a jiggly slime from stores if you don't know it's actually gonna be good. Because who knows? We tried all those minus the French fries. LOL dolls and it's like, wait. There's a little sister and a pet. Ian, much more. Whoa, 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 whoa. This is adorable, but I don't know. I got one. Ian, you want this on your backpack? Look, guys, this is at Claire, so it counts. You want one? You want one? Mystery bowl. Here's a glitter one. Look at these guys. Look at these guys. I want them. But they're really tiny, and who knows what could be here? Because we're only. You don't want to hold it and make sure, or you want to come back? I want to fill it. But I don't. I like them, but I like them. I already got some. I have 2 of these, but they're so adorable. I have this one at the house. But this one is adorable. This is such a unicorn. This is an item. This might be a thank you item. Please be sloth. Please be sloth. Please be sloth. Please be sloth. And this will actually be really cute for our bedroom. And I have 4. Thumbs up if I could have did that. I think I found my new best friend.
It's like a Halloween.
I found my. Sorry, washi tape. I like washi tape. I never actually use washi tape. Mommy, look, we have this one in the bigger size. We got it from an arcade today. Okay. Do you want to put this up for a bigger item?
Look at this cat one, Jay.
Look at the kitty. Here. You want the kitty? Or this one? The kitty. I like them to get mainly here. I don't know what these are, so maybe you guys should comment down below if you want us to do hair normals. I think they're like dolls. Should I get the llama? I don't want this.
Okay, where'd you get it?
Because it is little arms, and then there's 2 notebooks. And I'm getting this Scruffo Love'ems. I watched this on YouTube. It says you wash it, you comb it, you wipe backpack.
Backpack? And your backpack?
And
you got one of those too? And what's your other one? And you got an Orbeez? What's your sloth? All right, let's go check it out.
right, and that one is yours.
Yeah. Okay, guys, so let's go.